Hi, my little ones. Today we're going to be practicing the sounds for different letters. I'm going to hold up a letter and we're going to make the sound for it, okay? Our first letter is E. E says eh, eh, eh. H. C. T. 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 M. Mm. 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 D. 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 A has two sounds. A can say its name, A, or it can say ah, ah, ah. N. Mm. 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 B. 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 G. 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 P. U. Uh. 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 Excellent. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to show you each letter and you're going to make the sound by yourself for me. U. P says. N says. E says. A says. H says. B says. C says. G says. T says. M says. And finally, D says. Excellent job, my boys and girls. A round of applause. That's it for now. I'll see you later. Bye, my boys and girls.